Hey guys, Karan here, back with another video. I received a box from Nirupesh from Bangalore. He is the founder and owner of Bangalore Watch Company, an upcoming micro brand. They will be releasing their watch for orders next week. He sent me a prototype for a review, for an unboxing. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I've already opened the box to take a quick look at it. And well, here goes. I've taken out all the fluff from the box, and it came in with a lot of protective packaging. Let me put that away. Sorry about that. All right, here is the outer box. So as you can see, this is a nice lengthy box, not a square box that usually all the micro brands depend on. And I like their crest. I like their logo. There's a story behind it. There's a lot of thought that has gone behind it. And the logo and the text and the name of the brand isn't silver on this. It has a nice pinkish hue. It's not the reflection of the light either. It naturally has. It's been given a pinkish hue today, and it's very nice to look at. I'm excited to look at what is inside. So I'm going to open up this box now. Let's take a look. What is this? So this is a microfiber polishing cloth with their crest and name on it. Okay, that's a nice inclusion. So standard box, standard cloth insert in it. The flap opens out. Now the box that I've looked at, it's a very, very nice box. Let me quickly show you. Look at that. Look at that beautiful box. It's a lacquered box. Nice finishing on it. So the logo and the text on it has, it's not silver finish, it's not white finish, but it has a pinkish hue to it. It's not even the reflection of that light. Trust me, it is beautiful to look at. The lacquer, unfortunately, is a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, it is so reflective. It's reflecting the phone, the light. But on the whole, the presentation box is pretty darn awesome. It reeks quality, absolute quality. The hinge is solid, the box is solid, completely lacquered finish all over, and there's a felt soft finish on the bottom so that you don't scratch up or break up the lacquer finish underneath. So because it's a fingerprint magnet, so imagine now I know what the microfiber cloth is for. So to keep wiping away all the fingerprints. So yeah, nice, very nice box. Before I actually open up the box and show you what's inside, let me tell you a quick story. I have gone through hundreds and hundreds of watches by now in these past 5 years that I've been in this hobby. And I've had Seikos, I've had Swiss watches, I've had Japanese, I've had lots of micro brands too. And out of all those hundreds of watches, there are maybe 5 ever, that have come into my hands and they've got an instant compliment from my wife. This is one of them. I opened up this box, she took it from my hands, and she said, "Hey, this is a nice watch. This does not happen. Usually it does not happen." And this is a huge compliment. I think that's the biggest compliment I can give this watch. So rather than just keep hopping on, let me quickly open up this box and show you what is inside. Oh my god, that is such a nice watch. Okay, let me try and quickly show you what it is all about. I think there's a slot. So one information that I have is the length is fine, but Nirupesh wants the box a little higher, a little wider, to make it truly their own. This is inspired by whoever tells me what this box is inspired by, which watch. I'm gonna give them a free strap. How's that? So let's gauge some interest. So there you go. There's a slot in there for accessories, for the warranty card, I believe, and that is why the warranty card won't fit. I think that's why the Nirupesh wants the box a little wider. This is the watch. This is one of the 3 models that he's produced. This is the steel case and anthracite dial on it. So I'm going to quickly show you the watch. Look at that watch. Pardon the dust. I'm going to quickly wipe it off. There you go. My God, look at that beautiful watch. It's a through and through dress watch. It could be thought of as a sporty dress watch, but it's a very nice watch. Look at the detail on that dial. Circular brushed finish. The date window is clean. The crest and the logo and the name of the company is right there. It says automatic. It says automatic because it is powered by the Miyota 9015 automatic movement. And I don't know if they're going to make a limited edition or make it a limited number, but they have space for that. It says sapphire crystal. So sapphire crystal up top, sapphire crystal on the case back. There is designed in it is completely designed in Bangalore by Nirupesh and Mercy. That's his wife. 10 ATM water resistant. That means up to 100 meters you could dive with it technically. But well, all the diving we know what we do. Look at this rotor. This is a custom laser engraved rotor. Correct me if I'm wrong, Nirupesh, but this rotor is the first of its kind in this world. For easy access, they're making quick release straps on both ends. This is a prototype strap, so the hole has been cut out for it. But the final watch with the strap will have a very, very good finish to the strap as well. Although this is not bad in any way. Look at the nice croc finish on it. Genuine leather, croc finish on top. And look at those dimensions. Look at the proportions of this watch. The crown is nice. Again, signed crown. Hey, that is a nice touch there. I like it. I really, really like it. And quickly polish it off. I really, really like what has been done here. And look at I think these hands are called the Dauphine hands, if I'm not mistaken. Look at the indices, all applied of them. In fact, you see the minute indices inside, the minute markers, those are hand applied as well. The attention to detail that has gone into making this watch is absolutely phenomenal. From what I can see, I think it's a 41mm watch or a 42. Hey, I could be wrong. Correct me again. I'm open to suggestions and I'm open to feedback. Again, I don't do videos, so it's a new thing for me. I'm trying to make videos for you guys, and so that I can show my watches to you, discuss more information with you guys. This is the start. So Bangalore Watch Company, kudos to you, and I hope with this video I can launch more videos. Yeah, so that is the watch. That is one of the 3 models. Steel case, anthracite dial. I think they have a rose gold case finish. They have 2 case finishes, so steel and rose gold. 3 dials, anthracite. There's an ivory dial, and then I think there is a golden huge dial as well. I'm a little confused on that. So just give it a look. Give their Facebook page as well as their Instagram and their website a look. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I am going to switch off now and talk to you soon.